Good morning and welcome to online class. Class 7, day 26. Yes, subject social studies. Lesson 2.3 and lesson name is social custom prevalent among in some major castes. Yes, in previous class I taught you about caste. Yes, we had studied about that Brahman, Kshetri, yes, Magar, Gurung, Tharu, yes, Rai, Limbu, yes, this all I had already explained you in previous class, yes. And today I will explain you about Dhimal community and about Tamang community. Today we will read about Dhimal caste, yes. This is also one of the caste and Tamang caste, yes. And about these two community also today I will teach you. And this is ending of our yes chapter. First of all, I want to explain you about Dhimal. Yes, Dhimal mainly live in Eastern Tarai. Yes, and there are about 12,000 Dhimals in Nepal. धिमालहरु चाहिँ इस्टर्न तराईमा पाइन्छ भने चाहिँ नेपालमा कति छन् त धिमाल पपुलेसन भन्दाखेरि 12,000. Yes, there are 12,000 Dhimals in Nepal. Yes, and they observe the naming ceremony of daughter on the third day and son of the fourth day. नेमिङ सेरेमनी सेलिब्रेट गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ तेस्रो दिनमा छोरीको र चौथो दिनमा छोराको सेलिब्रेट गर्छन् इन विच कम्युनिटी इन धिमाल कम्युनिटी. यस, arranged marriage and love marriage are and chori jari, yes, not love and widow marriage is practiced in Dhimal community. Yes, arranged love marriage not, yes, same like that, chori jari, yes, and widow marriage is practiced in Dhimal community. Yes, same like that, they have a practice of burying the dead bodies in the fixed graveyards. Yes, fixed graveyards भनेको सबै जुन ठाउँमा जलाइन्छ नि त्यही ठाउँमा गएर जलाउनेलाई के भन्छ त graveyards भनिन्छ. Yes, you can see in book also there is given the meaning of graveyards. Yes, धिमालमा चाहिँ के प्र्याक्टिस छ भन्दाखेरि आफूहरूले सधैँ जुन ठाउँमा जलाइराखेका छन् त्यही एरियामा गएर डेड बडीलाई के गर्ने त जलाउने गाडी के गर्ने त त्यही गएर गर्ने आफ्नै एरियामा गएर. यस, दिस इज प्र्याक्टिस इन धिमाल कम्युनिटी. यस, and they have a practice of burying the dead bodies in the fixed grave. Dhimal also worship nature like Rai. Yes, in Rai community they also what do they also pray for nature. Yes, Rai and Limbu, both this community, this caste pray for nature. Yes, same like that, this Dhimal in Dhimal community also they pray for nature. Yes, they feel about nature, they think that their nature is their god. Yes, same like that. And next topic is about Tamang. Next topic is about Tamang. Tamang mainly live in Kathmandu Valley. Yes, Tamang कहाँ बस्छन् भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ काठमाडौँ भ्यालीमा. Yes, and Tamang occupy 5.8% of total population of Nepal. Tamang, how much population occupied in Nepal means 5.8% total population occupied by Tamang community, Tamang people. Yes, and they perform naming ceremony after 3 days of the birth of a child. बच्चा जन्मेको 3 दिनपछि बल्ल के गर्छन् त नेमिङ सेरेमनी के गर्छन् त परफर्म गर्छन्. Yes, and they also follow Hinduism and Buddhism. Tamang follow, some people follow Hinduism, some people follow Buddhism. Yes, and they bury the dead bodies. What do they do? They bury their dead bodies. They also perform feeding ceremony in the 5th month for a girl child and in the 6th month for a boy child. In same like I have taught you these things in I think Kshetri, Brahman and Kshetri, yes. 5 महिनापछि छोरीको भात खुवाइ गरिन्छ भने 6 month पछि चाहिँ छोराको गरिन्छ. Yes, I have already explained these things in that Brahman and Kshetri caste. Yes, same like that. Losar, Buddha Jayanti are the main festival of Tamang. तामाङहरुको main festival भनेको के हो त? बुद्ध जयन्ती and Losar. This two festival is very famous in Tamang community. Yes, we can see here in Dhimal community. Yes, in Dhimal community, love marriage, arranged marriage, jadi, chori, not widow marriage in practice. In Tamang community, love marriage, arranged marriage are in practice. Yes, love marriage, chori marriage, and arranged marriage are in practice. Same like that in Dhimal community, the dead body is buried. Yes, same like that. They in Tamang community they also bury the dead bodies. Yes, naming ceremonies after 3 days, and naming ceremonies of daughter in 3 days, and boys are on 4 days. Yes, 4th days. Same like that. Today I explain you about Dhimal community and Tamang community. Yes. Yes, today I teach you Dhimal and Tamang community. Yes, today I think you all understand this caste, about this caste. Yes, because about caste knowledge is very important for us, because our country is also known as that multi-ethnic group country. Yes, multicultural country. So we have to know many things about caste. Yes, and I think that this chapter finished and we know about caste. Yes, about Gurung, Brahman, Kshetri, Tharu, Rai, Limbu, Magar. Yes, we know all these caste very well. Yes, in next class I will teach you about respect to nation and protection of nationality. Yes, and in book there are given some word meaning here. Please learn that word meaning and write also. Okay, in book there is given some word meaning, because this word meaning is very important for us. And today I will give you some tasks, and please complete your tasks in time. This is your task. Yes, question answer. Yes, write this question. First you learn this question, understand this question, and write answer. Okay, how can we preserve our social custom? हामीले आफ्नो social custom लाई कसरी preserve गर्ने त? Write here, explain here. Yes, write for 4 to 6 line. Okay, because this is long question, so we have to write long answer. Yes, कसरी हामीले आफ्नो social custom लाई चाहिँ preserve गर्छौं त? Yes, when we go to celebrate any festival, any program, then we wear our own costume. Then yes, like that we can preserve our social custom. Yes, and next question is, Nepal is a multi-ethnic and multilingual country. Justify this statement. This statement is true statement. Yes, many castes, many religions, many culture are followed in our country. Yet many languages are spoken in our country as a mother tongue. Yes, 125 caste ethnic groups are in our Nepal, and 123 languages are spoken as a mother tongue in our country. Yes, we know that very well. So explain this statement. Yes, right here, and this question is very important for us. So please learn also. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.